Hey there, Greymains. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Crimson Chaser Chain Cloak in Crimson Desert. Over on the map right now, I'm over here to the right of Demonis, exactly in the middle of the S, right over here. Now, the location that you are going to go into is the Church of East Demonis. There is also an Abyss Nexus here, so you can immediately teleport to this to have easier access going to the church in the near future. Now, once you've reached the location, go up to the church right over here on this tower by climbing up to this part of the building. Just climb over here, climb some more, and in here, if you take a closer look, the wall here pretty much looks suspicious. So just push your way inside, just give it a good second, and inside it, you will be able to find the Chain Cloak. Now, the stats for the cloak is a defense of 3 and only at the refinement of 3 without anything other else that makes it a bit special. And this is what the cloak would look like on Cliff. And that's pretty much about it on how to find the Crimson Chaser Chain Cloak in Crimson Desert.